What can you guys do to help us do a remote prep?
Yeah, great question. It's as easy as clicking on a Magna LegalVision session or WebEx, Skype, whatever it is you're comfortable with, getting the witness on as well, and preparing just like we would in person if we were all sitting around a conference table together. I know some people are picking up the phone, calling their witnesses to talk through the substance, talk through some of the issues. I would highly recommend jumping on an actual video conference session like this to do your prep, using whatever platform is going to be used for the actual deposition. It's important to let your witness get comfortable with the setting so that there's no anxiety about the technology. They understand how it works. They understand what happens when my lawyer objects. If I hear object to form, what does that mean? Do I pause? Do I continue? Doing all of those, kind of running through those things with them in this setting so that by the time you get to your actual deposition, they're very comfortable, their anxiety is eased, and they can focus only on the substance of the questions being asked and their answer. So our jury consultants at Magna prepare witnesses all the time in person and remotely. We've been doing this for years, just like many of you have been taking remote depositions, defending them online. So we would just schedule a time, get on a session like this, and work with the witnesses both on some of the logistics, tips for, where do I look? What do I wear? What should my background look like? But also on the substance. So what are the themes of your testimony? What are the goals? What are your safe harbors? So we'll work with your witness. We can work with them before you get into the substantive prep. We can work with them during that substantive prep as well in concert with counsel.